Hello guys, this will show you how you can create objects simply by detaching from other objects. So if you look at this object right here, let's say I want to create some sort of handles on the side. Well, I could of course always try and create a box here and go from there. But what I can also do, guys, is check this out. I'll copy these modifiers, and all I need to do is just select 6 polygons here and detach them. I'll go ahead and flip them all. Give this a different object color just for visual differentiation. Go into border level, select this, extrude, extrude, paste, and just like that, guys, I have a new object here. And I can also create little handles by, let's say, just extruding from here. Alright guys, just like that. Let me give another example. You can add snapping to your workflow to make this easier as well. So for example, let's say I delete this and I say I bridge that, and I go ahead, let's say connect that there. So I just go ahead and connect these vertices. Alright, and then let's say, for example, I connect this and extrude there. Alright, and let's go ahead and use symmetry. And if you guys do like this video, be sure to check out my newest course, Creative Sci-Fi Vehicle Design, where I show you how to use a combination of CAD as well as polygons to create a variety of interesting sci-fi vehicles. Link is in the description, it's the first one there. Let's continue. Alright. Now, let's say we want to get an object right here. Well, all I need to do is select that, grow, and then detach this. Select this new object. I can delete this, for example. Flip the faces. Like this. This is where snap comes in. Activate snap by pressing S. Snap this vertex to that one, and then this one to that one. All I'm doing here, guys, is I'm kind of just hovering over this, holding down Shift to snap this vertex to that one. Control A and then weld. Change color for visual differentiation. Paste. And just like that, guys, we have a new object here without needing to use Boolean or anything else. Alright, so guys, I hope you can use this to create some really cool details. Alright, I can extrude that there. Alright, let's say I want to create another nice looking object here, so I'll go ahead and select that. Alright, I'll go ahead and detach that. I'll go ahead and add a different color for visual differentiation. I'll go ahead and snap right here. Alright, well, the vertices. Then I'll go ahead and select this as well. And extrude that there. Flip. Now I'll go ahead, let's say bridge. Snap. Weld. And just like that, guys, I have this object over here. And this opens up the opportunity for some really nice details as well. This way, guys, you can have really clean results without needing to use Booleans. Thank you for watching, and take care.